Everybody, we're going to learn here how to wrap up the text in your column, and then we're going to learn how to align the content in your column. So I wanted to create this relative frequency distribution chart as we did in the class, if you remember it. But using the Excel particularly for the project, I typed up here type of books and amount of books in my second column. But if you notice, my first column, the books kind of cut off, and here it's going to the next column. I don't like it. How do I fix it? So I highlight this entire row 11. If you have more columns up to here or here up to H you have, then you highlight all the way up to H column. But my data right now, or my words, is only up to C column. So I went up there and I went to alignment, and then I'm going to click on this, which is called wrap text. So I'm going to click on that, and as you notice that it wrapped up your data or your text you have and put it in a nice way, and we're done with that component. Now let's see, the second part I want to see is how do I make this column bigger or smaller? So I go up here, I put my cursor up here, and I go back and front to make it bigger and smaller. Okay, that's one way to do it. Now, second thing, somebody thinks that, you know what, I don't like that, because what if my column is bigger, one is smaller? Everybody, the other way you go is you select both of these columns like this, okay, and then you go here, format. Once you click on format, you will have row height and column width. So you can choose on column width, and you can decide that what width you want. You will not be able to see it right now, but when you do your Excel project, you will be able to see it. So I click on that column width, and let's say I wanted to have my column width maybe 20. So I put 20 and I hit OK. It makes it super big. I don't like it. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on format. I'm going to click on column width again, and I'm going to say, you know what, I wanted to change it to 10. Here you go, click OK. That's changed it to 10. Okay, I'm happy, looks okay. And now only one part I don't like is this is aligned to the left and this values is aligned to the right. So how do I fix that? Again, I highlight both of these columns, then I go to alignment, and in the middle it says align the content in the center. This one align the content to the right, this one align the content to the left. I'm going to keep in the middle because it looks nicer. So here you go. This is how you wrap up the text in your column. You can change the width and the height of your column, and you align the content based on your need. Hope this will help you.